In this video, I'm going to talk about deadlines in the probate process. Super important video because this is critically important to consumers. There's no issue that's more important to consumers in probate, other than expense, than deadlines. Consumers want these cases open and closed. There's one judge in particular I could think about that's being very strict about this, is bringing in these gray-haired lawyers that aren't used to being drawn into the courtroom and saying, Mr. Widener, why are you not moving this case along? The Supreme Court is directing all lawyers to move cases, and that includes probate lawyers. So it's eye-opening to all of us. We appreciate that kick in the teeth, and we're moving practice along to be in compliance with what courts are requiring. But the first important deadline here is filing the original will. 10 days from the date of death, Florida statute 732.901 says that will has got to be filed. Professionals know to do that. Lawyers will drop it immediately. But increasingly, people that come into possession with a kid finds a will, doesn't like the way it reads, doesn't produce it. Other people, stepmom, whatever's got the will, doesn't want to produce it. 732 provides attorney's fees for someone that doesn't deposit that will carefully and quickly within 10 days. Number two, opening probate and petition for administration. This is an interesting topic because if you're named as a personal representative in a will and you're not opening up quickly enough, someone can come along and open it up behind you. The law demands that you act promptly in probate. You can't just sit around and kind of get some tactical advantage. You got to open it promptly is what the statute says. Notice of administration. Promptly after you open it up, you hire the lawyer, PR is appointed. It's my job to get it out quickly to as many people as possible, everybody that we know about. Critically important role. Deadlines that are triggered once PR is appointed. We got to get that notice of administration out there. And here's where some really strict deadlines occur. 20 days to object to venue, 3 months to contest a will, 3 months to challenge qualifications of the PR. And there are some shortened deadlines for elective share objections. But critical deadlines occur. If you're involved in a probate, you're thinking about contesting it, you got to understand what those deadlines are. Here's a biggie and an increasingly problematic one. Inventory deadline, 60 days after letters of administration. Problem is, particularly as many of these accounts are migrating online, when we got elder people that have accounts and the beneficiaries aren't really aware of them, complying with that 60-day inventory deadline is really getting to be difficult, but we're doing our best to come along with it. The most important thing and an interesting topic is notice to creditors. So someone dies, you got to do a publication to alert creditors. Hey, Matt's dead. If you got a claim against him, come in. The law and many people think that the personal representative, we have got to wait until that PR is appointed, which can be months. No, we publish immediately. The moment that case is open, we're publishing to creditors because there's a case out there that says that that publication date relates back when the PR is appointed. So no need to wait until the PR is appointed. Publish immediately. Get that clock running. Creditor claim window is 3 months. If they don't file within that 3 months after publication, boom, claim is gone forever. Absolute statute of repose. Someone's dead. You got 2 years to make a claim. You don't make that claim, boom, you're out forever. Objecting to claim, 30 days. If you don't do that, it's automatically, if you're objecting, you got to file that suit immediately to challenge it. Elective share, 6 months from notice of administration, 732.2135. Exempt property petition, 732.406. 4 months after administration, 40 days after termination. Family allowance, 732.403. Got to file it pretty quickly. Accounting, distribution, reasonable time. This is one that's going to be subject to litigation and sanction and the court cracking the whip on people. And that is, don't keep these estates open forever. We're using some sophisticated technology to try and fulfill our obligations. We're going to do that because that's what consumers want. Get the estate open, get it closed as quickly as possible. We're going to work with you to make that happen as easily and painlessly as possible.